What's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about one technique that you can use on your Shopify store to double your conversion rate. And before we get on that technique and how you can apply it, we have to cover the concept of the cost of the purchase. The biggest mistake that e-commerce brand owners make is that they think that the cost is only in the terms of money, but the thing is that the cost of purchase can be how long do they have to wait for the product to arrive, what if they don't like it, what if it stops working, what if their credit card details get stolen, what if they get scammed, do they have to pay all at once or in installments, and all these things, right? So this is the cost of the purchase, and it's not only in the terms of money. So this is called the purchase friction. And your job as a marketer, as an e-commerce owner, is to reduce it as low as possible. So if it costs them less to buy from you, obviously more people will buy from you, and therefore you will increase how much you generate the revenue from your Shopify store. And it's just as simple as that. So let's cover how to reduce the cost of purchase without actually reducing your price. So the technique that I wanted to show you in this video is called the CTA Anchoring. And this is a great technique to reduce the purchase friction. CTA Anchoring involves placing the message below the Add to Cart button to reduce that friction that we talked about. So let's cover some of the examples so you can understand how it looks like and what's the function of this thing. So the first example that we have here is from the Rich Wallet. I will head on their website, and you can see on their product page just below the Add to Cart you have CTA Anchoring, and they have things like lifetime guarantee, free shipping and returns, and all these things. By having this below your Add to Cart, your customer, if they worry about if this product stops working or something, they know that they have the lifetime guarantee. So in their brain, there's just way less friction to buy your product because they know that there's a lifetime guarantee. When they see the free shipping, they know that it's just going to be the lower cost of the purchase. Once again, we are reducing that friction. In case they don't like the product, they have this option which says free shipping and returns. So there's also free returns. So in case they don't like it, they can just return it for free. Once again, lower friction, and they can pay it in 3 installments, which is just way less painful than paying it all at once with Klarna. This is how you reduce that friction that your customers have in mind, all these worries and doubts. You just want to reduce them as low as possible, so that therefore the only logical step for them is to place the order. So this is usually below the Add to Cart because we want to make that action, which is the Add to Cart, we want to make it as smooth as possible. So a lot of times I see e-commerce stores that have a great offer. They have like free returns, they have like extended warranty and all these things. But the problem is that they don't have it on their product page, or it's not above default. And if you don't have this above default, or you don't have it on the product page, it's literally the same as you don't have this in your offer. And therefore you just reduce your conversion rate drastically for no reason. You're not communicating these important things for your customers above default, and therefore you're not profiting as much as you could. So let's cover more examples of other brands so you can brainstorm and see what you can have on your product page for your customers. So a couple of other examples, we have the Gymshark here, and here is the Gymshark. You can see once again just below the Add to Cart, in this example Add to Bag, you have Shop Now, Pay Over Time with Klarna. So once again we're reducing that friction. And here you can see they have 3 points. The first one is free 30-day refund policy. So in case you don't like it, you can just return it. Standard delivery 4 to 7 working days, free standard delivery for orders over $75. And you have some student discount and all these things. So by having this just below the Add to Cart, they're again reducing that friction with the CTA Anchoring method. Then we have the next example, which is the John's Road Beauty. And in this example, you can see once again, they have pay in 2 interest-free installments, 30-day guarantee, and free shipping on orders over $85. So once again, you can see how they are doing this. And the third example that we have here is from the Away Travel, and you can see they have different positions for these. You can see just below the price, there's Klarna label about the payment in the installments. They're doing it because if you're selling a bit more expensive product, you want to communicate that installment payment option as soon as possible, and they're doing it this way. As you see the price, you immediately see that you can pay it in installments, so it's just going to be way less painful for them to place the order. And just below the Add to Cart, they have the limited lifetime warranty and the free shipping. So Once again, you can see how these successful brands are utilizing this technique, and for that reason you should really do it, and most probably you will see the increase in conversion rates. So the conclusion is that you need to define what are the biggest frictions for your customers to buy from you. You have to do the customer research, the Reddit, forums, Facebook groups. You can also place the post-purchase surveys. These are super helpful, and it will not only help you with this, it will help you with uncovering what pain points they were looking to solve and all these things. You want to as well monitor comments, reviews, and a lot of the time in the support tickets you will see questions before placing the order. What are these questions? Are these concerns about the delivery? Are these concerns on how to use the product? Maybe that could be one of the frictions. So they are just unsure how to use product, so you need to have it on your product page. You need to define what are these biggest frictions and put them just below the add to cart on your product page and anchor your CTA. I suggest you to have the combination of icon with the text because it's just way easier to communicate. But if it doesn't fit your brand, you can just go with the labels. It's better to communicate it with text than not communicating it at all. So have this and test different set of these and find out which is the one that reduces the friction the most and therefore increases your conversion rate. And if you want my agency to help you with the conversion rate, check the link down below and like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this. So that's it for this one. See you in the next one.